travel day again. Travel, travel, travel. Hopefully not for a couple more weeks, we hope. We are headed out to the desert now. Left our boondockers welcome. We had a wonderful stay there. They're great people. It's a nice location. So we hope, got a hair. We hope to go back there again. They said we were welcome to, so that'll be great.
And by the way, check out our link for Boondockers Welcome below. It's part of Harvest Hosts. We have links for both. If you'd like to join, use our link.
We love Boondockers Welcome, and we know people that love Harvest Hosts.
Yeah.
So, good thing to have in your back pocket. We have probably about a 45-minute drive today.
Oh, another long one.
Yeah, woo! The winds are supposed to be bad tomorrow. So we're going to have to try and decide how we're going to set up today. Here we go. Poor Kaylee, another travel day.
Sunsets like a tangerine. Let's find a road we've never seen. Life is short, make it sweet.
Yeah, baby!
Yeah. We are home for the holiday.
We're at a brand new secret boondocking location. Should we tell them what the name of this place is?
Of course.
Okay, go ahead.
Welcome to Gobbler's Gulch.
For Thanksgiving. We're at Gobbler's Gulch.
Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. And we are alone.
There's no one here.
Yay. For now.
For now. We've got
now.
our close friends coming to see us here.
Yes.
Hopefully in a few days they'll be out here with us and we're just going to have a great time.
Yes.
But we've made it. Final place in Arizona.
And Kaylee already knows that she's home.
She's home for the holidays.
Yep. She's sitting in her window.
Yes.
Let's see if we can see her. Hi, Kaylee. Say hello to everyone. Say hello. Say hi.
Kaylee.
It wasn't too bad of a travel day, was it, baby girl? Huh?
A 47-minute drive. Phew. That was another tough one.
It's time to go relax.
Yeah.
We've got everything set up. We're not setting up anything outside because we are supposed to get some big heavy breezes.
Yeah, big heavy breezes. But relax time, yeah, it kind of is. I guess, you know, maybe if I start speaking Canadian, it's 2 o'clock. That's happy hour, right?
I think it was more like 3:30, but
close enough.
Who cares? We can do what we want, right? Right.
Let's go.
Let's go. See ya.
Take your banner and raise it to the sky.